Okay, so we are back again in MiniTool MovieMaker. The latest update is 2.7. So to add a video, make sure to select the media section here in the project window. Click this and it takes you to where your video clip is, and selecting them and import them onto the project window. There are two ways you can add the video clips onto the timeline. The first method is to click the plus sign. The second method is to click and drag. Let's click the plus sign here to add this video clip on the timeline, and let's click and drag. So let's click and drag to the timeline. So these are the two ways we can add the video clip onto the timeline. You can use the slider here to zoom in and zoom out on the timeline. To split your clip, drag the marker to where you want to split the clip, and you see this icon here, the scissors icon. It's the split tool, so simply selecting that and click, or you can just click on the menu here. The MiniTool MovieMaker doesn't have any options of detaching the audio. The only option is to mute the audio that comes with the clip. So you can simply selecting this speaker icon here and click to mute it. So that's how we add the video clip onto the timeline. To add the transitions, let's go to the transitions menu here, and when you click the transition menu, you have many different options to add. Over here in this panel, you can see there are categories into different category. The advanced, diagonals, erased, page fill, reveal, and wipe. Let's go to the advanced and selecting the cross zoom. Let's place our marker here and click and drag in between the two clips. So here we have added the cross zoom in between the two clips. Once you're already adding the transitions, you can always edit the transitions. To do that, simply selecting the transitions, right click and edit. And over here, you can see the options. The duration, you can change the duration. Overlap, as you can see, the default is overlap. And you have the prefix, which begins with or ending. Once you're happy with selecting one of these, click OK and you're back again. So that's how we apply the transitions. Thank you again for watching, and see you all in the next one.